Mid-South Baking Company is responsible for producing a massive quantity of buns for the two largest fast food chains in the United States. We're talking over 40 million pounds of flour to produce 94 million buns per year. With such a large production volume, the company knew there was opportunity to improve their efficiencies and their bottom line. But like many manufacturers, their quality management system held them back. Data from that system was difficult to access, and the information it generated did not meet their needs. Why? Because the old system's paper and spreadsheets could not generate the insights needed to clearly identify quality improvement opportunities. Despite that cumbersome system, Mid-South Baking had one priority issue they needed to correct, and that was product giveaway. They suspected that the buns they manufactured were heavier than necessary. In essence, they were providing more product, heavier products than the customers asked for. That's what's called a giveaway, and giveaway means higher costs and lower profitability. To achieve their goals of greater efficiency and quality visibility, Mid-South Baking purchased Infinity QS software. But they also wanted to use our software to help streamline manufacturing processes, accelerate response times, and enhance food safety monitoring. The bottom line, their results were nothing short of astounding. First, Mid-South Baking found that by using Infinity QS software instead of paper and spreadsheets, they saved their employees, each one, an average of more than 3 hours of time per day. That's time they now use to focus on making lasting improvements to their own processes. Second, Mid-South Baking improved response times for food compliance concerns by using Infinity QS's real-time notifications and real-time alerts. These instantaneous notifications helped ensure timely responses on the shop floor and prevent a quality problem. Third, their compliance activities were greatly simplified. Before Infinity QS, the juggling of paper and spreadsheets meant audits took weeks to complete, and now they take hours. Audit reports can be generated in minutes, saving enormous amounts of time. For a company that auditors visit multiple times throughout the year, the savings were tremendous. Most importantly, Mid-South Baking was able to address their most pressing product giveaway problems. Within the first year of Infinity QS deployment, they reduced overall giveaway per batch by more than 10%. The savings were huge, and the management team was pleased to find that they could both improve quality and reduce costs by replacing outdated paper and spreadsheet systems with Infinity QS software.